Yeah, you'd never trust a skinny chef. Alright. Oh shit. Hey guys, welcome back. Bazza's Bistro. It's a miserable winter's day outside. So today I've got something that's going to warm your little tummies. Little sloppy joes. All we need for your sloppy joes is some ground mince, beef, pork, whatever you fancy. I prefer beef. Some brown sugar, one yellow bell pepper, an onion, some pepper, salt and pepper, some ketchup, paprika, and garlic powder. Cool. Right, let's get the meat started. Right, first things first, the beef. I'm gonna add that into a cold pan. Oh, number 7, medium to high heat. Let that simmer away. As you can see, I haven't added any oil into the pan because when we increase the heat gradually, the fat will render off. This is quite lean, it's about 10% fat, 90% beef. So what I'm going to do is let that come up and heat up and break it up into little pieces. You can hear that little sizzle now. While that's heating up, we're going to get our vegetables ready. Start with the yellow bell pepper. Chop off the sides, mind your thumb. I had another little accident last night and I really fucked it up, even worse than the last time. So just cut along the sides like this. You don't need the center. You can throw that in the bin, it's not needed. And then we can chop up nice chunky bits, if you like it chunky. I do. We'll get rid of that. Right, and the same again. Now mind your fingers. Nice chunky bits. Okay, move that off to the side. Same again. Chunky. Next, our onion. So chop it in half. And chop it into nice thick chunks, roughly about the same size as our pepper. Okay, same again with this one. Then reduce down with the beef. So that's getting brown on all sides. You know what? I don't think that's enough for both of us. I'm cooking for 2 today, so I don't think that's enough. We're going to add in another packet. Got that in. Got this paper. Okay, so the secret to a good sloppy joe is have no little lumps. Try and get everything as crumbly as possible. So if you can, mash down the meat and break up all those big chunks that you have there. Right, now that the meat is nice and browned, still a little bit of redness in there, but we're still going to cook it again for another, or keep cooking it for another 20 minutes or so. Time to add in our veg. So, I'm going to add in the yellow bell pepper, the onion, and the rest of the bell pepper. Okay, it's time to add in the rest of the ingredients. So, ketchup. About a cup of ketchup. Yeah, that's about it. A cup there. Okay. Some paprika. Not much. Now I did say I was going to make spicy, but a partner doesn't like spicy food too much, so just a little bit of paprika in there. In my opinion, that's a little bit. Some garlic powder. Pepper, teaspoon. Some salt. And key ingredients, the brown sugar. And add in about a cup of brown sugar. Should be enough. I give that a mix around. Okay, keep it stirring, and then we're going to add in some water and let it simmer on a medium heat for about 20 minutes. Should be enough until it becomes nice and thick and sticks together. Cup of water. Let that simmer away for about 15-20 minutes. Should be enough. Right, as you can see, simmering away nicely there. Just keep mixing it around. Let all that water evaporate off. Okay, so while we're getting that ready, bread time. You use any type of bun you want. You can use a normal regular hamburger bun, whatever you like. I like these. They're nice and crunchy and crispy. Oh. Let's cut this bad boy open without putting my finger off. So we're going to toast these buns under the broiler for, I don't know, 2 or 3 minutes. We're going to go toast our buns under the grill. Always be careful. Easy cook. Make sure you don't touch the inside of the oven. Always use one of these silicone oven hand protector thingies. Anyway, give that a few seconds until it turns nice golden brown. Give this a bit of a stir. See how this is doing. Okay, we're nearly there. Okay, so our buns should be almost done. Oh, look at that. Nice golden. Nice, lovely toast on the bread. Gonna get a little sauce ready. So, into a bowl, I'm gonna add in 2 teaspoons mayonnaise and some of my favorite sriracha. I don't know why I always say it with a Mexican accent. It's not Mexican. Right, a little bit of a mix. Perfect. So on my top bun, not the bottom, I'm going to add some of this lovely sauce. A little spread around. A little more. Okay, lovely. And our sloppy joes should be done. Okay, that's perfect. Nice and thick, sticking together nicely. The sugar, excellent. Okay, right, that's ready. Let's build our sloppy joe. Hello, Joe. So, my bottom bun. It's gonna take a nice scoop. Yeah, a little bit more. As I said, I have a hangover, and this will be the cure. Okay, there we go. And then our top bun with our lovely sauce. That's it. Simple. 15 minutes, 7 ingredients. Anybody can do this. Just to make it look a little bit more presentable. And put the crisp onto the side. My favourite, cheese and onion. Our good old Irish lunch in school. We used to have cheese and onion crisps on a French baguette. It was the nicest thing ever. Thanks, Mick. You're a superstar. With the coconut in Drimnagh. It's a lovely place. And there it is. Our lovely, slightly spicy sloppy joe. Time for the Bazza's Bistro bite test. Oh, I've been waiting for this all day. Went out for beers last night with a friend, and hopefully this should make me feel a little bit better. Now look at that. Okay, juicy, messy, sloppy. It's in the name. Oh my god. I needed that. It's meaty, it's messy, a little spicy. Oh, I can't speak. It's one of the best sloppy joes I've ever made. And you definitely have to try this at home. So easy. 7 ingredients, 15-20 minutes, Absolutely brilliant. Perfect. Tasty, spicy, sweet. Really, really fills the hole. Okay, so if you like the recipe, you know what to do. Go subscribe. Hit the like button. Share it with all your friends if you have any, because some of us don't have any friends. Anyway, see you next time, Bazza's Bistro.